What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned and stay in tune. Where we at?
Outside.
With the real M's.
I don't even know if you want to call it that. There's only one real M and it looks like this. It's this one.
That shit sounds OD.
Nah, I'm not gonna line it up. It's the first one I feel like
you got a good chance.
Yeah, like,
what do you think? Do you think the 700 horsepower M5 can keep up with the 500 horsepower F80? I think it'll keep up. I think you'll smoke it, honestly. It sounds good, but that doesn't mean it's fast.
I feel like this shit is dialed in though. Like, this shit is like together.
Pause your video right now and tell me who you think is gonna win. F10 or F80? Lock in right now. What you think? What you going with?
Let them know it's not a stock F80.
It's not a stock. But he said 500 horsepower. Not
but
stock.
I feel like he's being conservative.
Nah, bro.
We just heard it, bro.
I don't mean.
It's not 500.
He could have verbals up to the max.
Our cars stock are 400. What? 450? You telling me it's fit? That's 50 more. Don't.
Yeah, he's lying.
Don't tell me that.
You're right.
Don't tell me that.
I didn't do the math. He's lying.
Come on, bro.
He's a liar.
That's my brother.
Yeah,
but don't tell me that.
Jersey is kind of nice.
Nah, Jersey is very nice.
That turbo spool sounds crazy. Jesus! Yo, what the fuck? I need this. Oh my god. Causing havoc in the jersey, in the dirty jersey.
Yeah, inspiring the youth. The youth.
Roughly 500, I'm telling you.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you. There's no fucking way.
You said these are Nittos?
Yeah, Nitto M45s.
This shit is tough.
295s, so
Bro.
they got some good ones, boys.
Bro. Shit, and bro, the exhaust on this car
sounds crazy.
Ridiculous.
We got another G80 adds to the crew. Yo. That G80 is fire.
You in your fucking hand.
I need that.
What's those like?
Trying to smoke in both of us.
Those are 17.
Probably. Looks like it. Fast guy.
That's good.
500 horsepower guy.
Yep. Let me give it that. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Or do it 60.
We lining up right, not this nigga too, bro. We don't want to do it.
We don't want you.
We don't
Get
want
out of
you.
here.
We don't
Get
want
out of
you.
here.
We don't
Get
want
out
you
of
here, bro. Get out of here, bro. You said 40?
Oh no, he said just go. Yo, catch it. Crazy how much
that E85 makes such a difference.
Yo, that's crazy how much E85 makes a fucking difference.
Because look how close the first race was, bro. That we didn't catch on camera, bro.
I did.
Well, you got it. I mean, I might be able to throw it in here, maybe if Corey is, Korean. but nah, like that E85 makes such a difference, bro. Cause Applebee's, like no funny.
He got that.
Like he got it.
That shit is wicked. And
I feel like a combination of, because the car maybe makes the same, like similar amount of power, but because his car is lighter, with that and the E85, bro, like, because I didn't, maybe it's flooring it, because I ain't floored either.
What the fuck?
I'm scared. What the fuck?
Put it to the full potential.
I only feel comfortable flooring it.
I hope he's not about to race this.
caption or whatever. Building these
F85 is being built. You want to go first? You can go first.
I'm going
I'll
first.
Let you, yeah, you gotta go first.
I'm going first. And we're gonna make sure everyone's there for the journey. We're gonna do
that
it
shit
all right.
was quick.
That shit was quick as fuck.
Yo, what the fuck? We always go for cosmetics. Maybe we should.
Nah, we about to hone in on performance. Cause bro, Grammy shit is out, bro.
Yeah, Grammy shit is nice.
Grammy shit is out, bro.
That shit is fire.
Grammy shit is out, bro.
That shit is tough. Shout out to Grammy.
Bro,
He did his thing with that one.
nah, that shit is gone, son. The M40 on the other side was
moving.
moving.
Oh, you going down with him?
Son, that Infinity was like,
Yeah, his shit was about to blow the fuck up.
this shit was about to go cloud. You thought his little AMG?
I don't even think that's a 63, is it? Or is it
I don't
43?
know what it is, but it's not what we should have got. We both just like took off on him, like, and I know he was pushing his shit. Like, get out of here! Don't come close. We're not gonna. You don't want it.
We're gonna end it there. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, stay in tuned, and I'll see you in another motherfucking video.